In this episode of Akram's Ideas, I'm going to share with you the recipe for this taco crescent ring, so stay tuned! Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Tagavi Burris, and you're watching Akram's Ideas of bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. In this episode of Akram's Ideas, I'm going to share with you a recipe that is a twist on the traditional Taco Tuesday. We have here a taco crescent ring dish. Basically, as opposed to using tacos, we are using our taco filling and filling it in some crescent roll dough. It really only takes a few ingredients and whips up in less than 30 minutes. So with that said, let's get started. You're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of salsa, 1 cup of Fiesta cheese blend, and 2 cans of crescent roll dough. To get started, you're going to take your ground beef and you're going to fry it on the stovetop over medium heat. As you cook your ground beef, you're going to add into that the 1 cup of salsa. Once your meat is cooked, you're going to prepare the crescent roll dough. And I've just taken a pizza pan, or you could use a cookie sheet, and we're going to make sort of a calzone ring, so to speak. So to make this easier, I'm going to take about a 1 cup cup here and sort of set it in the center. And we're going to unroll our crescent roll dough here. And basically, you're going to take it so that the long end of the triangle is touching up against the bowl. And you're kind of going to overlap these a bit to kind of get them all squished down, making sure that they line up. Then you can take out your bowl so that you have a nice sort of starburst arrangement. Now that you have your dough ready, you're going to now take your cooked hamburger meat and you're going to go ahead and fill just the inner portion of the ring with the meat. And you're going to go around the whole dish here. Once you've added your meat, you're going to go on top of that with your 1 cup of shredded Fiesta cheese. The last thing to do is to take your crescent roll ends and bring them back around towards the inside of your taco ring. Just like so. Now you're going to place this in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And here is our taco ring from the oven. Now before serving, I like to fill that center hole with some shredded lettuce and diced tomatoes. Now that our taco ring is ready for serving, the only thing left to do is to try it. So I'm going to cut one of the triangles out here. I'm also going to grab a little bit of the lettuce and tomatoes to pair with it. It's just like having your taco dinner, only inside a crisp and fluffy crescent roll. It's really a great twist on the traditional taco night dinner, and it's really quick and easy to put together. Best of all, it has an amazing look to it. So this quick and easy recipe will truly be a treat at your next weeknight dinner. If you try your hand at making this recipe, I'd love to hear in the comments below how yours turned out. If you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow Akram's Ideas on social media and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!